She came all the way from the back. She came all the way from the back up here. Do all this.
I need to know if is any medical personnel on board, any medical personnel at all on board that can assist us. Please come forward to the first class cabin.
I mean, if we get her in a seat, that would be awesome, but I don't think she's awake right now.
Maybe put something on her feet. What do you see?
Does she have any medication? She has anxiety medication that her friend does not know where it is. Her sister does not know where it is. So she's on hers. Just ask her friend. Her bag is over there. I don't know. I just want to where is her bag?
She breathing. She came all the way from the back. She came all the way from the back up here. Do all this. Is there any medics up here?
She's not acknowledging me talking to her. That's not talking to her. She's doing fine.
Good job. Yeah, good job, thanks.
I want to whoop her ass.